Ooh, look at this.
Smoky.
Yeah. Ooh.
I want to eat it already.
Look, I know you do.
It's
So
shaking.
good.
Your hand.
Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, we're going to be making 3 ingredients biscuits. Yes, some simple and easy biscuits. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's absolutely free, and hit the bell so you can get your what? Notifications. I upload every Sunday. Okay, so here we go. The first thing that we will need is self-rising flour. So to my pan, I'm adding 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. Now Ava is going to add 1/2 cups of butter. Okay, you ready, Ava? Wait, it's not going to come out. This is cold butter, guys. Let me help you here. Cold butter. Simple, vegan, earth balanced butter. Get my pastry cutter. I'm just gonna get the butter in there. Just work it in. We're gonna get it to be nice and crumbly. I like that word. So Ava's helping me, and of course, guys, make sure your kids wash their hands first before they help you cooking, right? Right. And what I'm going to do is, and all the butter is on the inside of it, I'm just gonna make a little mountain. And once again, this is vegan buttermilk. I'm just going to pour it slowly. And you also don't want to overmix this either. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is the consistency that you're going for. Cast iron skillet. I sprayed it with coconut oil spray. So I'm going to show you how you're going to scoop this out like that. Just like that. Okay, so once you scoop it out, you're just going to put these biscuits just like that.
Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to taste good.
Excellent. I like that. I am going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. Okay? So we'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, so these are our biscuits that I just removed from the oven, and then I'm just going to have some melted butter here.
That really looks good.
And
I want to eat it bad.
I'm just gonna add the butter on top of it. These kids want me to put this butter all over this biscuit.
I want it.
Alright, my healthy people, so this is what our delicious biscuits look like. Absolutely yummy, absolutely delicious. I added some butter on top, and I cannot wait to dig in, but they're very hot right now, so I'm gonna leave them for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, it's been 5 minutes. Let's check out these biscuits. I don't even know where to start. Ooh, this is still hot. Okay, I'll get, ooh, look at this.
Smoky.
Yeah, ooh,
I want to eat it already.
look, I know you do.
It's
So
shaking.
good.
Your hand.
Ooh, so yummy, so delicious. Look at that.
I really want to have some.
Perfecto. Let me taste.
Drooling.
It was so good. Here. These are so good. They are so good. So simple and so easy to make. Your entire family will love them. I'm so busy eating right now. I'm not going to be able to stop. Okay, so this is a simple, easy recipe that your entire family
will love. It's so good.
Yes, it's very good. This is a simple and easy recipe that the entire family will enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Maxine's Corner. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and say it with me. Stay healthy.